Just a little announcement before we begin the video. I will no longer be doing any sort of car culture type videos here on the channel. I know that a lot of people are here for that, but I recommend you stay tuned for all the creative things that we're doing. And there will be some videos where my car will still be involved and will still count in that video, kind of like this one. I will still be posting stuff about my car on Instagram. You can follow my Instagram, the handles on the screen right there. And I'll also be posting coverage from car shows still as well on my Facebook page for my production company, Glass of Milk Media. Yeah, let's get on with the video. So about a year ago, I was given this car canopy thing. It's actually kind of cool. It packs up nice and small. However, it doesn't work. What do we do when we have something that doesn't work? Make something that does. Now, I did get inspiration for this design from Trail Benders Overland. They built a awning for $100, so I'm going to do the same thing. I have, well, this is one of them. I have a leg from an old canopy my dad used to have, and I thought what would be great about it is not only does this already give me something to use and not have to buy, the leg extends. So my thought was I can have an extendable awning, which would be way more convenient than just having a fixed awning. That's the project today. Let's get started taking the rest of the old canopy apart.
Next level. Next level.
It's amazing how just brittle this plastic is. Now, what we need to do is, now that the disassembly is done, we need to do the assembly. So, we have our 4 disassembled canopy corners. We're going to solve the lateral bars by using this box tubing, because this costs way more than conduit, but I wanted to keep everything consistent as far as the frame went, so I got box tubing to match with the legs. I'm gonna paint it all when I'm done with it anyway, so it'll all be matching. This will attach to my car, and then there will be another piece that goes up in the front, farthest away from the car when it's set up. So I think first thing we'll need to do is, I have some hardware. I'll go ahead and drill some holes into the ends of these, into the ends of the legs, and then go from there. Oh, and it was nice of my mom to get me this nice workbench for my birthday. I don't have to work outside anymore in the rain, so yay.
Next level.
I have all my frame pieces here laid out, so the next thing we're going to do is take all the hardware I have and put the frame together, and hopefully this is the last time I have to put the frame together. I drilled all the holes, painted all of the pipes. Paint job's really crappy, but you know, that's what you get when you don't prep them right and use Krylon products. So use Rust-Oleum, kids. It's way better. frame's all good and well, but it is hot out here working in the sun, and to be honest, what good is an awning frame without its, awning part, the cover part? I think I got something. I mean, do you seriously think I would have went with like a blue tarp or a gray tarp? I mean, come on. So now that we're in the shade, finally, we gotta figure out how this is all going to pack up and away. And I think I have a pretty good idea on how that's gonna work. So we'll try it and see. There's one more thing I gotta make for this, but I'm gonna do it off camera. And you'll see it in the reveal right now. You'll see it in the reveal right now. So yeah, this was supposed to be the point in the video where you were going to get a reveal of the awning. However, we're now around 9 minutes in the video, and well, the reveal so far is, well, it's a lot of minutes. So instead of making this video 20 minutes long, I decided that I would put it into 2 parts. So this video was the whole build of it. Next week, we will do the reveal. So if you want to see that, you need to subscribe. So hit that subscribe button, and then if you want to know right away, hit that notification bell. I don't say that often, but definitely subscribe. It helps me out a lot if you guys like or dislike the video and leave a comment. It helps me improve, and I always love seeing your guys' comments on videos, so please, please, please leave a like or dislike and a comment. You would also be a really awesome person if you went ahead and shared this video with all of your friends, and you would be my best friend in the whole world if you subscribe. This has been Kyle, and I will see all of you in the next video.